have no other choice but to take my effort.
Because we do joint inspection, sir.
Joint inspection, and then let's have a meeting.
Decide what is the modality. I cannot just because I was sent here just to talk to you, that not to go ahead. We will discuss.
You see, this checking is not happening only in our cement plant, and the government is very interested in cement plant. They send the force, but in border area we have seen a lot of border plants, but there is no force to protect our people out there. But when we are trying to take a step to protect our own people, to check that, to make sure that there is no illegal migrants in our district, we are surprised to know that the district administration don't allow us.
When we allow, then we have no authority to allow any NGO, non-government organization. We cannot. The law does not permit it. Or what I would say, that's why that was discussed.
How will we stop? A member is
No.
coming from long.
We cannot do that.